I think it's very boring for people to hear how the art works. I truly believe, the art is much more important than the artist. And I'm very humble about the fact that so many people like me, and I'm very, very grateful. So what I do is I take things from life and, just continue acting, have fun, smile a lot, and share a lot. I think acting is about giving. I think somehow that's made people like me a little more than the talent I have.
All right. Explains why so many people identify with you. You've done such a diverse range of films. What's the most challenging role you've done? Why? Can you talk a little bit about that?
It's always the next one. Yeah, it's never the one that I've done, because if I've done it, then it's over and done with. And however badly I may have done it, but it's no longer a challenge. But I find the one thing that I want to do in cinema for the last 25 years now, because I've been working and I don't know how to extend and give back to cinema, Indian cinema specifically. So I want to make it technologically a little more advanced than it is. So what I like to do is try and do films with a lot of visual effects in them. I have a small department of visual effects, and I want to enhance filmmaking in India so that, technically we can be at par with international cinema, especially Hollywood. And of course, we need to make them shorter and have less songs in them for people to watch them. Okay, so we'll keep them as long and no songs in them. More songs and longer films now. But I just want to, for me, the toughest have been films which I've produced actually, because people didn't think these are the films that will work. A film like Ahsoka, I think a film like Phir Bhi Dil, and they all flopped miserably. So let me tell you, they were films nobody wanted to back. There was a film called Ravan which I made, which I really wanted to make so that I could, advance the technological part of it, and difficult film to make. And now this one, as an actor, I don't know, no role is difficult because I don't, I don't have a method that I follow. I just take instances from life, meet people, and I meet so many people, and I love people. I love the hugs, I love to kiss them, I love to talk to them, and we're doing the kisses afterwards. So I just get to know people, and then somewhere down the line, whenever I kind of take from life and use it. And yeah, sometimes
I don't need it on here.
Think
I don't need it on here.
But I think it reaches out to everyone, touches everybody's hearts, and people identify with it.
So
films like
Maria needs it.
Swades,
Yeah.
That's M-I-R?
is Dilwale Dulhania Le
MIR,
Jayenge.
yeah, she needs it.
And,
She might be in the kitchen back from lunch, but she's on lunch.
uh,
Okay, all right.